how to fix Battle.net human verification error. I'm going to show you 3 different fixes. For the first one, click on the 3 dots in the top right of your browser and go into settings. Here you want to search for history and you will see delete browsing data. Click on that option, set this to all time. Make sure you have your information saved, such as account info, because this is going to log you out, and you want to click on delete data. Now, once you have done this, we can proceed to the second method. For the second method, you want to open up your computer search and search for VPN. Click on VPN settings and make sure that you don't have any VPNs enabled, because that can also cause the issue. And if that doesn't work either, the last thing that I can suggest doing is changing to a different browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can use something like Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, or Opera, and this should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.